A popular procedure to rejuvenate the appearance of the eyelids is known as blepharoplasty. This is a commonly done procedure to enhance the appearance of the eyelids. Typically, upper lids are rejuvenated by tightening redundant skin. Patients often complain of looking tired and droopy. If severe enough to cause functional visual impairment, insurance may participate in coverage for that portion of the procedure. Puffiness of the upper lids may be due to herniation of fat, which can be removed or repositioned. In my evaluation, the position of the eyelid, the relationship of the eyebrow, the position of the crease, the quality of the skin, and most importantly, the overall condition of the eye are factors in making the safest treatment plan. In regards to the lower lid, patients again complain of a tired, puffy appearance, often associated with dark circles. Again, there is herniation of fat, which is referred to as bags. Removal or repositioning of fat as well as tightening of skin is done to enhance the appearance. I have been performing blepharoplasty using laser cutting for the past 15 years and find this to lessen the post-operative bruising and swelling. In addition, CO2 laser resurfacing can tighten lower lid skin to areas that are not obtainable with conventional lid surgery and also reduce dark circles.